What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna mix a little vlog and POV drive type thing. But basically in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to use paddle shifters in a 2022 Toyota Camry. And yeah, you might be wondering why the hell would they put paddle shifters in a Camry, even though it's made just for it to be eco-friendly, to save on gas, which I don't know, but thankfully it did. It's pretty fun. You know, it does have an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's not a CVT, so obviously it works and everything. But I'm going to show you guys all that today. But we're going to go ahead, turn it on, and get a little cold start for you guys. And also go get some gas because I am literally empty, or about to be empty. And yeah, let's get straight into it. If you guys do enjoy the video, make sure you drop a like and comment a video that you guys want to see me do next. And as always, subscribe if you're new to the channel. We got a whole bunch more coming. Tomorrow's a big day. We're changing a whole lot of stuff. We're going to get red door panels. We're going to get ambient lighting. All thanks to KBTuning _ on Instagram. But yeah, let's get a little cold start. We're gonna do a little remote start for you guys, show you guys how the car sounds when it's cold. Let me know in the comments on what you guys think. But we're gonna remote start it, and that is thanks to KBTuning as well. I'm gonna link them in the description of this video. Basically what this kit does is allow me to remote start the car. I have push to start, which I'm gonna show you. And yeah, I have a Bluetooth app that I can do everything on as well, which I'm pretty sure I showed you guys in one of my previous videos. But it's all good. We're gonna show you guys today as well, and let's get straight into it. So what the key looks like, it does have I do have a cover on it for a keychain and whatever, but this is what the key looks like. Just 3 buttons, obviously. Let's make sure the car's locked, and let's remote start it. Oh, I did it wrong. So it's, you basically come on, focus. Why is it not focusing? All right. So we're gonna press unlock and hold the lock button, and it should turn on. It's gonna give you another hazard. Way too loud. It's obviously gonna be louder in person than it is on camera. It literally breaks the sound barrier of the camera. But we're gonna let it idle for a little bit. As you guys saw how quiet it got after just like 10-20 seconds of being that loud. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. This thing is a loud ass lawnmower. But yeah, we're gonna pull it out of the garage and get straight to the gas station. At the gas station right now. We're not recording on the POV camera. We're recording actually on my phone because you know, I might as well do it on my phone since most of the clips are going to be recorded through my phone. And we're basically going to be going to the gas station, showing you guys what the paddle shifters are, how they work on this specific car. Because on most cars, they are pretty different. But, yeah, we're literally right next to the gas station right now, so... Once we get there, I'm going to show you guys exactly how many miles we have left. I think we have like around 30-something miles left. But it's all good. At least we're not less than 0. I mean, less than 10, because that wouldn't make sense. Oh wait, they changed this gas station. What the hell? This gas station used to be a BP. Now it's a Atlantis. What the hell is this? Oh, this curb is. Oh fuck. I don't know how we didn't scrape there. Oh yeah, now we're aired up heavy. Get 25 cents off per gallon every day. Get the fuck out of here, bro. $3.67 for 93. God damn. Bro, honestly, that's pretty cheap. I usually get it for like $3.80 or some shit like that. All right. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to open my door. I'm not gonna lie. Let me go back over here. This gas station is killing me, bro. This gas station is fucking killing me. Alright, now we're good. Okay, so let's see. We have 35 miles left in the tank. We get an average of about 24 to 25 miles per gallon. And this shit is crazy, bro. This car does take 93, so we're gonna fill it up. We did have a video previously of how much exactly it takes to fill up this car, but we're gonna do it really quick again just to show you guys. But this time I'll actually show you guys how the car looks from the outside, because most of you probably don't even know how it looks like. But yeah, don't mind my red interior with the blue steering wheel. We're changing it ASAP. All right, and this is a little sneak peek of what's gonna be happening. I know you guys can see this right here. It doesn't light up just yet, but give me some time. It's gonna be lighting up soon, and this interior is gonna be looking crazy, especially with the roof. But yeah, we have some crazy stuff planned for this car. But let's go ahead and turn the car off. But as you guys can see, it's a push to start with no key to start, which is crazy. But yeah, let's open up the gas tank, and we're gonna get out, show you guys what the car looks like, and let's fill this bad boy up. Damn, this lighting is crazy. So we're gonna open this thing up. It's very windy today, so hopefully it doesn't close. But we're gonna open this thing up. 367 for 93. Let's hope the thing works, where you can actually just have it hold. Nope, does not work. But we're gonna fill it up and then show you guys what the car looks like. But let me turn around and lay on the car. It's more comfortable. But yeah, 367 a gallon, paying with credit. This is crazy. If you guys have any questions for me about the car or anything in general, please feel free to comment down below. It's not a problem. I can easily answer you guys. But I'm just gonna do a quick walk around the car, see how it's looking. It did snow that day in New York like crazy, so the car is a little bit dirty. But yeah, this thing was looking good. I got it detailed. The rims were shining and everything was looking nice. But we're at $21, 6 gallons. If you guys did watch the video before the last one where I got gas, and you guys already know around how much it costs. But if you haven't watched it, this car does take 93. It's tuned. I don't want to see any more comments. People saying, why do you put 93 in a Camry? But yeah, I spent $5K on performance balls on this car, and yeah, it only makes fucking 5+ horsepower. All right, that's a joke, but it definitely does not make a lot. It probably makes like 30 to 40 more. But we got this thing aired up crazy right now. You guys can see the rear fitment. It's literally like a truck. But yeah, it snowed. This is how we're driving right now. That's what the front's looking like. My right hand's usually lower than this, but I just kept it high because I just got out my driveway, and we're literally about to go back right now. But let's get back. This car is looking mean, man. Look at that KBTuning sticker in the back. Okay. We do have a couple new things that's coming for this car. This is what the front is looking like. This front lip is too good, man. It looks way too good. It makes it look like it came with the car from factory. Take a look at the rims. These did not come stock with the car. I bought used with tires from a higher rim, trim Camry. We got a little KBTuning sticker up there. You guys see the nuts inside. But yeah, man, the interior is looking a little crazy right now. But don't worry, everything will be fixed soon. And if you guys are wondering how I don't get stopped for this tint, I do have tint exemptions. If you guys do want that, you know who to hit up right there. KBTuning _ on Instagram. If you're in New York, they'll hook you up. But let's get straight into showing you guys how to use the power shifters in the Camry. So we're gonna sit inside the car, and basically, as you guys see, these are the paddle shifters. These are like a little cover extenders that I put on, but these are what the actual ones are. So basically what we have to do is shift this into that S plus minus mode, and then we can hit the minus to go down a gear, and then the plus to go up a gear. And it's pretty simple, really. If you don't care about your car, you're gonna want to floor it. But basically, let's say right now in the parking lot, right? I'm gonna let it go up, the RPMs. Or actually, can't get out this way. Little burbles going on. But basically, I like to shift around 3 RPM. Just because it makes a nice little sound when you shift. But let's get out of this driveway. As you guys see, the RPM's going up. So whenever I get to 3, I just press the plus paddle shifter, and it shifts up for me. But obviously, if you press the minus, it'll downshift for you. The car is not too warm, so it's not going to downshift correctly. But yeah, the comments down below. It's pretty simple, really. Once you get it down, it's pretty simple. I use it almost all the time. Seatbelt notification. All right, I did not know that when that seatbelt notification is going off crazy, that the turn signal does not even make the sound. I did not know that does that. That's crazy. I learn something new every day with this car. But yeah, it's pretty simple how the paddle shifters work. If you guys watch my POV drives, on most of the parts, I use the paddle shifters to downshift, to upshift, do whatever. But yeah, it's nothing too crazy. I think, I don't even know if I mentioned it, but it was $47.40 to fill up the tank. It was 12.8 gallons. We pay like what was it, like $3.70 a gallon, $3.67, something like that. But yeah, it's not too bad. We are aired up right now. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of clips of me using the paddle shifters. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe if you are new. We have a whole bunch of new stuff coming for this Camry. And yeah, let me show you guys the clips. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love you all.